Okay, welcome back to the double vanity and triple face cabinet videos. Timer started. When I left you, I just did this, and it's pretty easy to me, man. You know, do whatever you want with this. How would I change this? Well, let's not do that yet. Okay, now suppose I really want to. I really want to have more control over what's going on with this thing here. UU. Let's change this to 24 inches in width. There, I knew it. I knew this was going to be a problem. Front, triple face, and the point of this is, what's the point of this? Okay, here I'm going to do uh, uh, cancel. Oh no, watch this. Front. I don't want it to be triple face. Perfect. Oh wait to copy. Oh wait to copy 05 to reflect about that. There we go. Perfect. But now, see the difference. I don't know. I'm not sure if this makes any sense, but I'm going to do it anyway. Let's just see what the problem is. Let's change this to a 7 drawer. 7. This is interesting. Drawer. Oh man, see that's gotta be. I gotta delete. I guess I have to delete that top portion, that separation, right? Did I not ever delete that? Delete. There. Now this should be 7. Yeah, 7. It's a drawer. So when you're doing this one right here, you got 0 separation, then 5, 1, 7, 1, 7, 1. Oh, hey, check that out. I can do a triple door. What can I do right here, by the way? Double. I can do a double door there. I can do a drawer right there, or I could do a double drawer or a false drawer, or I'm going to leave it. And I'm going to change this to it's false drawer already. Suppose I make it a real drawer. I don't know what the difference is. Okay, there you go. Now you see what's happened here? That's what I was afraid of. When it's not just one cabinet, it's 3 different cabinets. You're going to have that stuff going through your sinks. So how do you deal with that? 1, 2, 3. Let's change the depth of these things because I have a 3-inch toe kick. So let's give another inch. Let's make them 4 inches deep. Let's make the depth 4 inches. Boop. And now let's move it forward. 42218 0. Move it forward minus 18. Not quite good. Now you see I got rid of this thing coming in this direction, right? I mean, I got rid of this thing. Suppose I make this. Now this is getting fussy because if I want to keep a 4-inch deep, 4-inch deep, a 4-inch high but 3-inch deep toe kick. 3-inch deep toe kick. I got to have something there, right? That's why I chose 4. If I check, well, I lost my side panel and everything. That ain't cool. That ain't cool. That ain't cool. I mean, I lost my side panel. Okay, not a real good solution here. But also I have that problem right there. Okay, so if I wanted to, I suppose I could come over here, tab, take this sink and shove it back a little bit. Can I do that? Shove it back a little bit. Move it forward a little bit further. What do I do? I lost my. I lost my. What I do? I mean, I lost my sink and. I mean, that's a mess. Oh, I guess it's a mess, isn't it? I don't know. Shit, man. It doesn't look good to me. Something's a little funky. I don't know. Shit. Okay, suppose I change this to UU. Here's an easy solution. Right? It's 4 inches deep, right? I'm gonna change it to 1 inch deep. Change it to 1 inch deep. Change it to 1. This is really important to you. I'm gonna change it to 1 inch deep. I'm gonna change the height to 30 inches because I'm gonna get rid of the toe kick. I'm gonna raise it up 4 inches, and I'm going to get rid of the toe kick 0 0, and I'm going to make the toe kick out of a P solid. And once I change this to 1 inch depth, it was 4 inches. Now it's going to be 1 inch. I have to move it forward 3 inches. So 0 0 boom, move it -3. There you go. It doesn't screw up this sink. I have the facing that I want, and I can do whatever I want with that facing. What I'm missing is my toe kick. To get a toe kick, you know what to do with a toe kick. 1 1. Oh, well, anyway, screw it. This is what I would do. I turn this into a P solid. Yeah. Sorry, I turn that into a P solid like that. I make it 4.5 inches high because the toe kick's 4 inches tall, sitting off because I got ½ inch of flooring. All my flooring's ½ inch, so it's 4 inches tall. And now I got a toe kick, and all I do is simply just slide it back to there, and slide it back to. I could slide it back to work, but just to give you an idea what's going on. Let me see if I can remember my hotkey for this. And bump. Yep, there it is. Sorry, guys. Yep. And that's my toe kick. So now I can shove my toe kick way back there and put it where I want. You got me? So now it took a little bit of work, but I really got what I wanted. Because now I can really change this face to move this over tab -12. -12. You know, I can really get funky with it if I want. And I swear, I just know that sometimes this break in the cabinets line up with the sink. I don't know why it would, but it would. And see, now this cabinet's interfering again, so all I simply do is go UU, get rid of the toe kick, 0 0, raise it off the ground 4 inches, make it 30 inches tall. And because it was 4 inches deep and now it's going to be 1 inch deep, it was 4 inches deep, now it's going to be 1 inch deep. I have to move it forward 3 inches to -3. I see it's actually, this is kind of nice. Oh no, it's not nice. There. I'm doing whatever I want to do, right? I'm doing whatever I want to do. But let's just back. Okay, fine. How much time do I have left? 2 minutes. I'm gonna wrap this up real quick here. So here this is probably what really happens. Let's get rid of these two. Delete. And once you have this set up, man, I mean, you can just take this from one plan and put it on another plan, right? I mean, it's not a big deal. Okay, so there, and Control C, Control V. Okay. Oh, now I got to think about this. Now I got to think about this. 1 1. I'm gonna add. Oh, I know what I'm. Okay, this is probably the way it really is. I guess I don't remember. UU. 1.5, 2 plus 5 is 7 plus. Okay, here's a question. I am including. What am I including? I'm going to show you what I'm including. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. So the height of this whole thing is 8 inches, and it's 28 inches off the ground. Now you can see that I ended up with this right here. That's going to be a separation, and it's going to be my ½ inch separation, 0.5 tab. Oh, I have to add something, 0.5 tab. Oh, I have to add something, I guess. Oh, now I click on, that's right. And I add a drawer, or a false drawer. There. Okay. Now maybe this is really what's happening. There. Oh, not good. Oh, check that out, man. Ooh, that's not good at all. Ooh, that's not good at all. Why is that? Because that's the bottom. because that thing really hangs down. So you know what I did right here is U. Yeah, I mean, I got a false panel here, and the sink is going to hang down lower. Should I finish this up? I'll finish this up. The sink is going to hang lower than that cabinet. So there's a problem right there, isn't there? So anyway, how tall is this? 8 inches. So now I'm going to take, I'm going to do a regular cabinet. Here, this one. Control C, Control V, stick it right there. This is already 8 inches tall. I'm going to change this to UU 32 inches tall. Height is 32. And I know I don't want a countertop, do I? 0, 0. Perfect. I only want 3 drawers. Delete this. Now, how do I delete it? Where's my delete button? Delete. Why can't I delete this? There it is, delete. So because my because my separation is really on the upper cabinet that's going to be there, I don't need this. Delete. This is a 7-inch drawer, yes. 7-inch drawer, yes. That should be a 7-inch drawer. Where's the problem? General. Height has to be 28 inches. You nitwit. So 7, 7, 7. Perfect. That's what I want. No countertop. There it is. Move this over to here. I'm going to make this, this is triple face, right? UU. I make this 24 inches wide because the whole thing's 36 inches wide. 24 inches wide. 24. And then I'm going to move this over twice. 2 of them. 24 inches a piece. 24, copy, 2 of them. There you go. That's more like it, isn't it? But I got this cabinet showing through now, don't I? So how do I get rid of this? Let me think about it. I'm going to put this on pause for a second. I got to think about this. Okay, without thinking about it too darn much, I think this is what I would do. I would go 1, 2, UU. Countertop is, the depth is 2 inches. Let me see what happens. Not good. That's not good. Control Z. I got another solution, really. Seriously. Watch this. Here it is. Watch here. Watch this. Hello. Okay. Take this, custom countertop. Now I take this base and this base, UU, turn it into depth of, I don't care, 1 inch, depth, 2 inches. It's 22 inches deep now. It's 2 inches thick, so I'm going to have to move it over 20 inches. 0 dump minus 20 inches. Minus 20 inches. Ew, not good. Wow. Oh, and then I lost the side, of course. I lost the side, so that doesn't even work, man. That doesn't even work. I don't know. I don't know. I'm getting back to this right here. Here's a quickie solution, I guess, is to go. Yeah, just delete that, I guess. I don't know. You like that? I don't. Because you know these aren't going to be drawers. How about if I just go 1, 2, 3, UU, delete, delete, left door. What do you think just happened? 7, 7. Yeah, I mean, this is, you know, I'm having problems. This is what happens a lot of times. I guess maybe this is the way it works. You know, you got a big long thing, but this right below is divided into 3 doors, and you know that the sink is hanging down a little. Oh, how about this? Tab. Wait, no, tab. Wait, hang on. Where's my countertop? I swear. I've sent this in as a bug 1,000 times to Brian, but I use a fill. I use a fill. If you use a fill and use a custom countertop, the custom countertop disappears. You ever seen this? See, I got a fill for this room. That's just the way I do it. And if you use a fill for a floor surface, once you make a custom countertop, you're going to lose that thing. So where's your countertop? Right there. So you got to go UU, and you got to select this countertop line style and put it on the default group, and now you're going to see it. What's wrong with that? Now you've lost your base counter, your base cabinet, right? So you go 1 1 right there, and this is a UU. Put on layer cabinets. I just hate CAD lines, man. Anything changes, you got to change it twice. Cab, okay, UU, line style, front, move the front of group. You got what I'm saying? I had to use a CAD line to show that base cabinet because I love it. I loved it when they came out with the showing the base cabinet as a base cabinet as dash line in the countertop. I just love it, love it, love it. So let's take this tab, UU. Let's lie about this. 2D block options, sizing, depth. Can I lie about this? 7. Because it's 5, 6. Yeah, right. Oh, there, yeah. It doesn't work. I guess if I chose a shallower sink, you think that's what it's going to take? Can I even open that symbol? UU. Options. Sizing. I made it 8 inches tall, I think, right? It doesn't work very well. I don't have a good solution. I've been doing this for 7 years and this hasn't been a problem yet, but someone asked about it, so you know what I'm saying. Oh, I guess if you really insist on this, I think what I'd do. 1, 2, 3, UU. What was wrong with this? What was wrong with this? Depth is 2 inches, so I'm going to move it out 20 inches. 0 bump, move it out 20 inches. Minus 20. Oh, what am I seeing? Am I seeing the bottom? I'm seeing the bottom of this cabinet here. Oh shit! Well, now I have to turn that into a. Was that a custom? Can I turn that into a custom countertop? And then everything's gonna get freaked up. I just know it, man. So I take this cabinet right there. Is that the cabinet? That's a base cabinet. There's a countertop. One more. It's a base cabinet. So now I slide this over. Why can't I slide that over? A failure. This is a failure. I can't do it. How do people do this? Oh, that's the end. I'll see if I can figure it out in a second. So how was I successful? Oh, I was successful if you just use these as 2 inches deep. Custom countertop, right? Oh no. I'm going to do number 2. I'm going to review this in a second. I'm going to do number 3. I forgot how I did this. That's that's thin. That's thin. Yeah, that's what I did. Delete. 2 thin cabinets, and just simply stick that in its own. What is that? That's just a countertop. No, it's a countertop, but I do have a bit of a separation right there. I have a separation. I have a set. I get the separation right. Suppose suppose I change the height to um, 4 inches. Now what happens? Check that out, man. You can change the 4 to bottom to 32, right? So it lines up. Check that out. You. If I make that a separation, what happens? You understand what I'm getting at? Yeah, look at this. I have the cabinet coming through right there, right? If I change this cabinet, suppose I make this the item height 1.5 inch counter. Suppose I make this 1.5 0.5 general, 34 to the bottom. Oh, now what happened? It was working a second ago, wasn't it? It works here, doesn't it? I gotta research this. Wait, Control Z. Control Z. You get what I'm getting at here. Right now, I have a counter. I have a base cabinet, and it's getting in the way of my sink. But a minute ago, I had a bit of a base cabinet, albeit very shallow, and it wasn't in the way of my sink. I'll come back to it. I'll do part 3. There's a solution here somewhere, I think. End of part 2. It's funny. Before I quit, I finally got it to work. Didn't I get it to work? Delete. There it is, right there. I mean, I have it right there. And I have a separation. You see you see what I'm getting at? I do have a separation there. I'm going to go on to part 3 and talk about that separation. Item number 0, none. Item number 1. That's the 1/2 inch separation. I'm going to see what happens if I increase that separation in part number 3. That's the end of part 2.